It's been 2 weeks since we last saw you, and personally I've missed you. Welcome to the FinTech News. Gia, a blockchain-based lender of small businesses in emerging markets, raises $4.3 million seed round. Gia, a fintech company based on a blockchain technology, has successfully raised $4.3 million in seed funding, accompanied by an additional commitment of $1 million for on-chain liquidity. This funding round was led by early-stage supported TCG Crypto, with the participation of notable funds including Block Tower, Hashed Emergent, Season Capital, and Global Coin Research. The round also saw the involvement of prominent angel investors such as Packy McCormick, the founder of Not Boring, Anand Lyer from Canonical Crypto, and Jared Hecht and Rory Eakin, the founders of Fundera and Circle Up, respectively. With the funding secured, Gia intends to strengthen its operations in Kenya and the Philippines and subsequently expand into new markets across West Africa, Latin America, and Asia. Founded by former executives of Tala, Zach Marks, Cheng Chen, Ivan Orene, and Yurin Won, Gia leveraged decentralized finance to provide loans to borrowers. Upon repayments, borrowers receive tokens that can be redeemed at a mutually agreed rate based on Gia's profits. ZestMoney founders resign as Goldman Sachs-backed fintech struggles to raise funds. The founders of ZestMoney, the Indian fintech company known for providing small-ticket loans to first-time internet customers, have resigned from their positions. This development adds another twist to the face of ZestMoney, which had received significant support from notable investors like Goldman Sachs. Lizzie Chapman, Priya Sharma, and Ashish Anathavarman, the founders, shared their decision with employees on Monday. In an email obtained by TechCrunch, Chapman expressed the difficulty of reaching this conclusion and emphasized their continued belief in ZestMoney's potential. They also pledged their full support to the incoming management team during the next 4 months to ensure a seamless transition. The departures occurred following the collapse of a potential acquisition deal with PhonePe, which had significant implications for ZestMoney. With most of their funding sources depleted in the recent quarters, ZestMoney faced increasing caution from investors about funding late-stage startups with losses. Last month, ZestMoney had to lay off over 100 employees. The founders took proactive measures to assist those departing by facilitating job placements within the industry, and as a part of an agreement with ZestMoney founders, board, and investors, PhonePe, backed by Walmart, agreed to hire 130 employees. The Mint, started by Better Tomorrow Ventures, wants to be the Accelerator fintech meet. Sheel Mohnot of Better Tomorrow Ventures achieved notable successes even before establishing his own venture firm. Previously a partner at 500 Startups, now known as 500, he managed a dedicated fintech fund and played a key role in building an accelerator. During this time, he met Jake Gibson, who would later become his founding partner at BTV. Mohnot also invested in promising fintech startups such as Chipper and Albert at valuations of $2.5 million each. Today, Chipper is valued at over $1 billion, and Albert has raised more than $175 million. Despite the firm's success, including raising the $20-25 million second fund last year, the duo believes it's time to pay homage to their origins. Better Tomorrow Ventures has announced the launch of its own fintech accelerator called The Mint. The Mint is a San Francisco-based 3-month accelerator program that provides $500,000 in funding in exchange for a 10% equity stake in 6 to 10 startups. The inaugural cohort, starting in August, has already accepted one company, with a second acceptance letter sent today. We have previously executed these successfully. Our returns from the initial fintech cohort were incredibly good, so if we can come close to that again, our limited partners will be pleased, Mohnot expressed. The Accelerator offers various forms of support such as a speaker series featuring founders from Mercury, Flagsport, and NerdWallet, expert office hours, wellness resources, hiring assistance, and dedicated desk space as well. The Mint differentiates itself by being a physically located program in San Francisco, as 2 team members will be relocated to the city to handle logistics. Better Tomorrow Ventures is leasing a separate office space dedicated to the accelerator, situated outside their mission headquarters. These were all news for today. Hope you liked it and they were interesting for you. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons, only if you liked the video. And I hope to see you in the next episode of the FinTech News. By the way, don't forget to take a look at our other episodes and podcasts. We have the FinTech CDO podcast and much other interesting things. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye.